Tyler Tipul. I work with Rife's Grandview, Autobody Collision Repair. It's been great. A lot of what we touched on in the class is just a direct application that I could take back to the shop tomorrow and get started with. So that's outstanding. It's great to come in here and kind of slow the pace down a little bit. It's okay to ask questions. So that's been great. There really hasn't been anything that we touched on in class that I don't see every day, as far as everyday application and in the auto body collision industry. Actually, what we're working on right now with the plastic welding, it's not something that I get a chance to do a whole lot of. So obviously my experience was a little low, but it was nice to get in there and get hands on with it and just pull some basic building blocks from what you know from that. Absolutely. And again, it's just pulling yourself out of the environment where speed is a factor, and coming in here and be able to ask questions, and there's no wrong question. So it's just a great environment to continue learning. I appreciate it, and any chance I get with learning or training, I'll always take it. So definitely feel appreciative that they considered me to come up here. So.